Car Shipping Clark County, Arkansas Premium Auto Transport. Located in the southwestern part of Arkansas County, Clark County is renowned for its picturesque pine-covered hills that significantly add to the county's overall aesthetic appeal. The county has a vibrant economy that is dominated by agriculture, manufacturing, and tourism. The DeGray Lake State Park is a particularly popular tourist spot with its numerous camping and fishing spots. As Arkansas' state premier vehicle transport company, A-1 Auto Transport is the best choice for shipping cars to or from Clark County. A-1 Auto Transport has more than 20 years' worth of experience in the American transport industry. During this time, the company has consistently received positive reviews from industry insiders and clients for its dedication to quality service delivery, its stellar safety track record, and its overall dependability. The company's services cover all 50 states, and through its network of similarly dependable international partners, it has a truly global coverage. For any shipping services, call us at 1-888-230-9116 to make inquiries and quotes.